Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to discuss again the MobiKwik because MobiKwik has recently shared its Q2 results. And as I have already mentioned in my old video, where we have discussed MobiKwik in very detail, like everything about the company's business and the future expectations. Now, let's quickly discuss the new results and what we can change into our expectation with this stock. Here we have our June quarter result, and this column includes the quarterly result for September 2024. The MobiKwik has made 291 crores of revenue this time. This is 15% down than the previous quarter. And the expenses have raised to 287 crores. The good part is now the company has made operationally 1.3% of operational margin this time, which is a very good thing for the company. The other income includes 3 crores. And the profit before tax, the company had made loss of 3.3 crores. So as we can see that this quarter is good compared to the old quarters, and the overall company has made 3 crores of loss this time. And then in the last quarter, it was approximately 6.5 crores. So these are the numbers which we can see into our financial model and how this can impact to our expectations. So if you remember my last video, there I have expected that the MobiKwik can make the year-on-year growth of approximately 56%, but on basis on this quarter result, I have made it down to 45%, and on that basis, still I expect that the company will be crores of net profit by the end of this year, and after 3 years, then the stock price can potentially reach up to 1350 of price range. So earlier, last time we made 346 crore. Now this time we made 294 crores of revenue. And earlier we were making 37% of our expenses into payment gateway cost. And now that is increased to 47%. So as I've already mentioned in my last video that this is the concerning part. So the revenue has decreased by 15%. But if you can see the payment gateway cost is increasing. Earlier it was 37% of total income. Now it is 47%. And where we have gain, so the gain we have received in the lending operational expenses. So earlier it was 27% of total revenue, and this time it has reduced to 6%. So here the company has increased its efficiency, and by this we can see 10% reduce in total direct costs. And again, the concerning part where that the expenses are going high is that other operational expenses. And in other operational expenses, we have employee benefit expenses and other expenses. So this has been increased. So here we have our employee cost. Okay, but the concerning part here is that with a reduced number of revenue, that the company's other expenses is still increasing. So as I have mentioned in my old video, in the detailed analysis, this other expenses major contributed by the advertisement and promotional expenses, which is still increasing. So these two expenses the company needs to take care, by which that the company can increase its more margin. And this time we are EBITDA positive. EBITDA positive means that we are profitable at our operational level, but at the net profit level we are still at loss of 3 crores due to our interest payments of the borrowings. That is why we are making this losses. I hope this video helps to make your decision into MobiKwik, whether you want to buy or hold or sell this stock. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to this video. That will motivate me to prepare these kind of contents onto my channel. Till then, happy investing and bye-bye.